Take a look at this. And I didn't do anything crazy, guys. I'm not a trader.
This video made for entertainment and educational purposes only, so don't repeat anything you see in this video.
Morning guys, Kyle here. Today we are talking about the questions everyone keep asking, how to make free USDT or how to earn free USDT. But before I explain anything, take a look at this. And I didn't do anything crazy, guys. I'm not a trader. I'm just someone who likes testing things. I followed this specific process, kept it simple and went step by step to see what actually happened. I focused on the using right tools and understanding how one system works. So watch this video till the end and I will show you exactly what I did. And this video is strictly for educational and entertainment purpose only. Nothing here, guys, is financial advice, and I'm not encouraging anyone to copy what I do. Alright, and there is a first look on this application, so let me just show you the official name. You can easily pause the video right now and check by its name. It's pretty simple to find it. Alright, and let me back and start to testing. There is a few setting steps, and I will show you every step. Right now in the live video, and there is a one step I already completed. So first of all, let me open the app, and this app is quite famous and popular nowadays. As you can see, I already completed one step, so I passed it. And there is a bunch of information inside, and all information, guys, here is from open community sources. Nothing, guys, here is private, so keep that in mind. All right, and there is a next step. I need to just do the simple steps as I did before. I just enter it like that. Let me send it. Yep, there is a last one, so the same place I need to find. All right, I got it. Let me just scroll it and enter like this. Yeah, that's perfect. The processing is already started. The loading is started. It means everything are connected to really nice. All right, and look at this. This is the thing I was talking about. All right, guys, I need to just do a small setup and preparation before. Let me just enter, not like that. Let me just enter like here. Okay. All right, now it started the most interesting part of this video, because I need just to follow the picture what I'm seeing right now. So first is here, one more here. Let me just check the other three like that. All right, here, and where is the last one? Last one on the bottom side. Right, let me just check it. Yeah, everything works nice. Yeah, look at this, and I will do it one more time. I'm gonna speed up this part for you because this process is honestly very straightforward and it repeats same time in each way. So nothing, guys, here is complicated and hiding going behind the scenes, and what surprised me comes up in just a moment. Let's go, guys, let's go. This is what I'm talking about. Look at this. That's a really simple and amazing process. Alright, so the whole point of this is to send everything back, because this is the whole point, right? So let me just choose the amount. Yeah, it could be like that. That's really nice. So let me just open the where, and all I need is just to copy this one. Alright, so let me back, and if you guys have any ideas what kind of tools I can test next, or you have already something interesting, you can drop me in a comment. Alright, guys, so it's updated. That's really awesome. The system reacts really fast. This is what I like here. Let me open one more time for you the name of this application, so you can check one more time and copy the name if you're really interested in this. Alright, so and now it's time to back and check the main, because this is the whole point. So usually it responds really fast, so all I just need is just wait a few seconds more or wait the update. Yeah, look at this. That's already updated. That's really nice. This is how it reacts. And thank you guys for watching this video. Share this information with your friends, press like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will catch you in another one.